Picture our solar system in your mind. What do you see? Most likely, you're envisioning a vast expanse of space punctuated by a glowing sun at the center, surrounded by a series of planets, each with its own unique characteristics. As we journey outwards from the sun, we encounter the rocky terrestrial planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. But beyond the asteroid belt, we enter the realm of the gas giants, where our focus lands today, the colossal Jupiter and the ringed beauty, Saturn. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is so massive that it could fit more than 1,000 Earths inside it. This giant is not just known for its size, but also its strong gravitational pull, which has a major influence on everything around it. Jupiter's gravity is so powerful that it helps shape the orbits of many celestial bodies in our solar system, acting like a cosmic traffic cop, guiding and directing the paths of asteroids and comets. Just a little further out we find Saturn, the second largest planet, which is famous for its stunning rings made up of ice and rock. Like its larger neighbor, Saturn also has a significant gravitational pull that influences the trajectories of nearby objects. Together, Jupiter and Saturn play a critical role in maintaining the balance of our solar system. Their gravitational forces not only shape the paths of celestial bodies, but also protect the inner planets, including our Earth, from a barrage of space debris. Their presence contributes to the harmony of the solar system, a delicate balance of gravitational forces that has allowed life to flourish on Earth. However, it is interesting to ponder the implications of their absence. What if these two titans of our solar system were not there? What if the space they occupy was just empty? Now imagine that Jupiter and Saturn suddenly vanish. What happens next? Jupiter and Saturn, the gas giants, play a significant role in our solar system. They're not just there for show, twinkling like distant lanterns in the night sky. These two planets, the largest in our solar system, have significant influence on the celestial bodies around them, including us here on Earth. Let's dive a bit deeper. First off, let's talk about gravity. Jupiter and Saturn, due to their immense size, have a strong gravitational pull. This pull influences the orbits of other planets and even the paths of comets and asteroids. In essence, they're like the big brothers of the solar system, keeping everything in check and maintaining order amidst chaos. But their roles don't stop there. Picture Jupiter and Saturn as cosmic goalkeepers. They're located just beyond the asteroid belt, and their gravitational pull can deflect comets and asteroids that may be on a collision course with Earth. Without them, we could be seeing a lot more cosmic activity and not the kind you'd wish upon a star for. Next, let's talk about the asteroid belt. This ring of rocky debris between Mars and Jupiter is influenced by the gravitational forces of Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter in particular prevents these asteroids from coalescing into a planet. Without Jupiter's gravitational influence, we might have had another planet in our solar system. Finally, these gas giants also play a role in creating spectacular celestial events. The gravitational tug of Jupiter and Saturn can cause asteroids and comets to veer off their usual paths, leading to meteor showers when these objects enter Earth's atmosphere. In a nutshell, Jupiter and Saturn are like the unsung heroes of our cosmic neighborhood. They maintain order, provide protection, and even put on a show for us to enjoy. Without these two planets, the solar system would be a very different place. So, what would the solar system look like without Jupiter and Saturn? This is a question that sparks a fascinating conversation about the potential impacts of their absence. Without Jupiter and Saturn, our solar system would be a very different place. As the two largest planets, they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our solar system. Their gravitational pull keeps the orbits of other planets stable. If they were to suddenly disappear, the orbits of other planets could become more elliptical, leading to a significant increase in gravitational interactions and potential collisions. The absence of Jupiter and Saturn would also impact the asteroid belt. Currently, Jupiter's gravitational influence helps to keep the asteroid belt in check. Without it, we could see an increase in the number of asteroids straying from the belt and potentially colliding with other planets. Perhaps one of the most significant impacts, however, would be on the number of comet impacts on Earth. Jupiter, often referred to as the solar system's vacuum cleaner, uses its immense gravity to pull in comets and asteroids that stray too close. Without Jupiter and Saturn, these comets and asteroids could potentially make their way to the inner solar system, leading to a significant increase in the number of comet impacts on Earth. While it's impossible to say for certain what would happen, these potential scenarios give us an appreciation for the crucial role Jupiter and Saturn play. They're not just the two largest planets in our solar system, they're the glue that holds everything together. In short, without Jupiter and Saturn, our solar system would be far more chaotic. The stability and relative calm we enjoy are in large part thanks to these two gas giants. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate Jupiter and Saturn, the unsung heroes of our solar system. But what would this mean for us here on Earth? Let's imagine for a moment that Jupiter and Saturn, two of our solar system's most substantial celestial bodies, suddenly disappeared. The absence of these gas giants would have a profound impact on our home planet, Earth. Firstly, our orbit around the Sun could potentially change. Jupiter and Saturn's gravity helps to balance the solar system. Without their gravitational influence, Earth's orbit could become more elliptical, leading to more extreme seasons and potentially harsher weather conditions. In the worst-case scenario, Earth could be flung out of the solar system entirely or hurled into the Sun. Secondly, we would be more exposed to the dangers of space. Jupiter, often referred to as the solar system's vacuum cleaner, sweeps up many of the comets and asteroids that could potentially collide with Earth. Without Jupiter's gravitational pull acting as a cosmic shield, these celestial objects would have a clear path to Earth, increasing the likelihood of impactful events. The potential changes to our climate would be significant too. A more elliptical orbit could lead to more extreme seasons, with hotter summers and colder winters. This could in turn affect the variety of life forms that could survive on Earth. Now let's consider the evolution of life. With the increased likelihood of comet impacts, life on Earth could have faced more frequent mass extinction events. Additionally, the harsher climate could have hindered the development of complex life forms. In essence, without Jupiter and Saturn, Earth might not have been a hospitable cradle for life as we know it. These two gas giants in their silent orbits have played a pivotal role in shaping our planet and the life it harbors. Life as we know it may not have evolved without the stabilizing influence of Jupiter and Saturn. So, Jupiter and Saturn, the gas giants, are more than just beautiful celestial bodies. They are integral cogs in the grand cosmic machine that is our solar system. Their roles, as we've discussed, are crucial to maintaining the equilibrium of our cosmic neighborhood. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, isn't just an impressive sight in the night sky, it's a cosmic vacuum cleaner, its massive gravitational pull collecting and capturing most of the space debris that could otherwise pose a threat to Earth. With its absence, our planet would be far more exposed to potential asteroid impacts, changing the course of life as we know it. Saturn, with its stunning rings and 62 moons, isn't just there for show either. It plays an essential role in shaping the outer solar system. Its gravitational influence helps to stabilize the orbits of the outer planets and to limit the number of comets entering the inner solar system. Without Saturn, the solar system would be a more chaotic and potentially hazardous place. Their absence wouldn't just lead to a more dangerous solar system, it could also have profound effects on Earth's climate. The gravitational forces exerted by Jupiter and Saturn help to stabilize Earth's orbit and tilt, factors that directly affect our planet's climate and seasons. Without these gas giants, the Earth's orbit could become highly elliptical, leading to extreme climate variations. Finally, let's not forget the potential impact on our search for extraterrestrial life. Jupiter and Saturn's moons are among the most likely places to find life beyond Earth. Without these planets, we would lose these promising locations in our quest to answer the question, are we alone in the universe? Next time you look up at the night sky, remember just how important these two gas giants are to our existence.